You open the app, everything looks fine, but you can't scroll. Then you get the message, no internet connection. But your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working for everything else. Here are 4 simple ways to fix it. 1. Clear Instagram cache. If you're using Android, go to Settings Apps, Instagram Storage Clear Cache. 2. Turn off your VPN. Some VPNs interfere with Instagram's connection to its servers. Disable the VPN and check again. 3. Reinstall Instagram. Delete the app and reinstall it. This can fix bugs or corrupted files in the app. 4. Try another account or device. Log in with a different account or try on a different phone. If it works, your account might be temporarily restricted by Instagram. Bonus tip: restart your phone. It's simple, but often helps. If any of these worked for you, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos.